Rainy time in Kingston, but this shall not stop us to catch our food. Beware of crocodiles in this area. Join me in exploring the Hellshire area.
Go on. We're back at the Sunshine City, yeah? And I'm supposed to park here. But this is also where those crocodiles are. So, you. Alright. This is a river with perch and tilapia. Let's see. I always thought people are crazy walking here. And now watch me. Just for the vlog. Where is he? Where are you? Oh, I don't see nothing. Gotta try. Oh, look. You know there are signs, guys. There are signs. Beware of crocodile. Mangroves, Crocodile City. Not seeing any fish. Come show yourself. Don't hide. At this big fat perch. Guys, if it wouldn't be infested with crocodiles, I would definitely go in there. But my name is not Junior. Oh man. You think they will bite the bait?
Shrimp and then bite the shrimp. Some longer some can get some worm, dig up some worm, come back to them.
Alright guys, let's dig for some worm.
I just walking out while I'm going.
Are you see more of them?
Yeah, I see about a school of them over there. So.
Jesus.
So next one there. So next big
What
one
ya man? No sir.
there, so way bigger.
Yeah.
Than the one right here.
Oh my god. No sir. Yo, maybe I should go with the gun and you just try hold off the crocodile them.
You have a gun? It's the next one right here, sir.
But the water, yeah, look.
Mama go on that bridge a while ago.
I wish you could see this big fat perch. A perch or tilapia?
I think I'm
One of them.
one or two type of them. And do that nice fry right now.
What right now? That one, you know the nice brown stew it.
Jaja.
Guys, I love the tilapia, the perch, but like brown stew them. Nice. Nice.
Well, look at me, I've got guys spotted with it gun.
Yeah. All right, let's go for some worm. This is a pond. This.
Pond.
No, here. This.
Oh yeah.
Is a pond or is the ocean?
The pond and the ocean. The ocean. We over here call it Old Hellshire. But there's an entrance around that side that you drive, go around there.
But right, this is fresh water or seawater?
Both.
Both?
Fresh water and seawater mixed together.
He said there's a man usually going for punk and walking out the entire thing. We need to get the interview.
Today, but they normally up there and the artist thing, him can't swim.
You can't swim?
Yeah, so him cannot swim.
Some things with Jamaican and the water and then cannot swim. And they still go in there. And actually quite a lot of fishermen we have here, they cannot swim. You would be surprised. But him brave. Huh?
He walked all the way around and there was a crocodile right there. So probably we'll go back around where car is.
Yeah.
If we're lucky, we're going to see the crocodile.
If me lucky. With a big monster dinosaur.
Yeah.
On TikTok, it was here. Yes, these monster crocodile, this is where they are. Guys, we go for some worms and we come back. As a citizen of the Sunshine City, used to all the crocodiles, what do I have to do if one is coming out?
Good question, you know. Well, I have to say, if see the baby one right here or something.
Crocodile! Then the crocodile, one baby crocodile is here. But thought I saw him, but it's some. And you said they cannot climb, right? Only thing is really unfortunate here is the garbage. That's terrible. Man, just sad. Yo, I hope we can get one of those perch, tilapia, whatever. Guys, he come out to say hi. Oh my god. Oh no, he dive off. Come back. Come back. Come back.
You just didn't want to show him present.
I know, but the camera never get it.
Oh.
To get the phone to zoom in. Rotted. It don't look small though. Guys, it just dive off. Come, 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 come. That's how they do it at the Black River Safari. Come, 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 come. And you say nobody, nobody get attacked yet. My God, he's coming to you. You will have to give him something. Huh? You will have to give him a treat. People, he's literally listened to the guide.
My lovely viewers, since I have been referring to Black River Safari a lot, and let me just roll some clips of the beautiful Black River Safari tour in St. Elizabeth.
Something else.
Come.
He's listening to you. Are you a friend? Yo! Guys, he just turned back on the call.
Come.
What? He's really coming. Are you cute? Yo! No way. Watch ya! No, sir. Oh my God. Ah! Babe! Just was going to turn and bite. Right. It's like, where's my chicken? I see them jump actually. Right? So maybe I shouldn't be, watch me. Maybe I shouldn't be so close. So cool.
The green plants here they call snake cactus.
Yeah, watch me. Oh, you attack the camera. You think I chicken? So then lick a bit and then get this big. Like terrorists. Yo, he just came out and showed and looked up at us. Like, you guys have something for me? Guys, can you believe this? Nigel carries some people from where? Utah?
Utah, they're from Utah. I bring them to Black River Safari. And they swim in the Black River. And they're asking me to join them. I tell them, no. You have to have somebody to take you to the hospital just in case. And they swim, climb the mangrove, cause Wolpa mangrove like
there is a spot, you know, where they even have like a swing, like a rope.
Yeah.
Where apparently, and I said, who put the rope there?
Yeah.
You know?
And then swimming like. Cause first when we get there, we saw a big crocodile on the property. But one of the guy thought it was a statue, and I'm like, no, it's not a statue. No, Nigel, it's a statue. I said, no, it's not a statue, it's a crocodile. And the closer you get, because his mouth was wide open, I don't know what he was doing. Like,
no, they bathe sometimes, they digest. In the day, they will just have their mouth open.
Oh, yeah.
And then just digest their food.
His mouth wide open.
Yeah, they do that.
Not moving, none at all. So if it's your first time seeing it, you would think a statue. So my man walk and go close to it. When he reach almost close to it, he just lock him out and just crawl off back into the Black River.
Can you believe this? Tourists see the crocodile, see more than one, and still go into that river. Them brave. Brave. Big one, massive one. I actually just posted one on my Instagram the other day. You can go and check it out. Check for some worms. But I'm still curious about if I can outrun a crocodile. Can I?
Yeah, man, you can outrun a crocodile, man.
Can I outrun a crocodile, Siri? Hold on, now answer me. Hold on. Oh, because yours is not Siri. Can I outrun a crocodile?
According to BBC Wildlife magazine, most crocodiles can achieve 12 to 14 kilometers per hour for short periods, says crocodile specialist Adam Britton, which is slower than a fit human can run. So if you're in reasonable shape, you could definitely outrun a croc.
Okay, let's go down. I can outrun him. See one? A crocodile or a fish? Guys, why go to Black River Safari if you don't have the funds to go down there? Just come to Hellshire, like they're right here. Nigel, you can do your safari tour here.
Yeah, just come right to Hellshire.
You can see the crocodile in their wildlife. Right there is a crocodile. I'm sure it's a crocodile causing those bubbles. Guys, we're back, but this time we're here to catch snapper. What's up, snapper?
You breathe that healthy breath. I know it's all of you that I get. One bedroom flat, I lock the door and put that photo on the floor.
I'm gonna try right here.
For hours, it's getting dark, and we did everything and nothing at all. And I should leave.
Cut grass. No grass. Grass again. Go. Snapper, not grass. This time around, our lunch is not as festive as the last time. That's all we have. That's all we have. Man, I should fry some dumpling with that. Dumpling. What if I use the jerk seasoning? That can work?
Yeah, that's right. Some seasoned dumpling.
Seasoned them? People, we have no salt for the dumpling. Let me try this. That can work? Salt in this. Alright, now it's a little bit. If not, then dumpling gonna be very fresh. Well, that's the jungle style, the jungle life. Guys, this can't full our belly at all. Guys, right now we were talking if we would have like a little paddle boat or something, and we could just kind of go where the pelicans are. I feel like we would get some nice big size fish. And this looks like almost a little bay. Oh, there is a reef. So actually right here we could have used any like little kayak or something. Now I want a kayak. Nigel, we need a kayak. Well, if you want to bring in something, bring in one of those kayaks. I want a kayak. Sometimes I think like living in America has really its advantages. The access to things are just like, it must be so wonderful. You want something, you just go into the store and get it. Here, oh God. Always have to find ways of somebody shipping it in or bring it in, and then there's always this extra cost to it. Yeah. Imagine if we would be in America, we could just walk in the store and get it and done. Oh man, that must be so nice. survive on this. That's all we caught. It's a little bit more fancy. We're adding some dumplings. Hopefully the fire is not gonna burn up my dumplings. Yeah, I'm not as good with this wood fire. Controlling it is not my strength, especially when it comes to dumplings. I wanted the stove, but we are very talented in coming down here with half of the stuff and leave half the stuff in the car, and then nobody wants to go back and get it. So we have a good stove in the car to make good dumpling, but we decide for survival and we want to work with a wood fire, and let's just hope. Ooh, watch, don't burn yourself, don't burn yourself. I think the pot's alright, you know. Jerk dumpling. You ever had that? Yeah, me either. Jerk dumpling. It's a survival. La, 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 la. Just say he's so hungry. Say, well, go for the crocodile over there. Get jerking.
I say crocodile that eating.
Escovitch crocodile. We have some. We have a little bit of escovitch, and we have those slow cooked dumpling. Oh, it wasn't thunder, it was your belly. A growl.
Yeah, no, I saw my belly a growl.
I was like, is this thunder? Look like that's his belly. They're not by, well, actually, originally we weren't planning to come to this spot. We're going for some tilapia, but we don't have as much time, so we say, all right, we just do this location again and then go for the tilapia one other day. So we're here chilling and having a breakfast, escovitch fish. We're just feeding them basically, then take off, then just taking off our baits. People, that is it. Lovely place. I really like this place. I hope one day we can get a little boat or a little kayak and just go, guys, right there, just more in the middle, because there's actually a little bank over there. You guys see where all the pelicans are? So over there and right in here is a nice little bay vibe going on here. So I definitely think some big snapper and jack and whatnot is in here. Whew. All right, that's what's up. Well, that's all we have today. 2 fish we survived on, but we added some fried dumpling and escalated. So, that's the wildlife. You never know what you get. Anyways, let's dig into this. All right, you want some? Guys, we had no no salt, so we were using the jerk seasoning with the dumpling. Come on. At least they're not fresh. It worked. Awesome. We're close to health show, so we have to fry the fish. Bad. It's not bad. All it wants, more fish.
Yeah, more fish. Perfect. One fish couldn't cut it. Crocodile rush with. See pot here? Bang!
Bang!
We are knock him out. Let him try.
Oh man. Guys, every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day. So it's still a vibe. We're out here in nature, on of the ocean. Actually cool watching those pelicans fishing when they take the dive. It's unfortunate that this camera cannot zoom in. I would have some nice shots of the as a matter of fact, 3 pelicans. They've been circling together and diving together. So cute. Maybe it's 3 babies, or maybe the mommy with the 2 kids. So stuck in Kingston, guys, no spear fishing, but hopefully on the weekend I can go over to Portland, and hopefully the sea is so the sea has been flat, but it's been dirty and murky. Hopefully I can go spear fishing the weekend. I mean, this is fun, but I prefer spear fishing still. While I cannot go spear fishing, this is a nice alternative. Yeah. When I come off the main route and make crocodile chase me.
No, I said Jessica run people.
Run like Shelley and Fraser Price.
Run.
100 meter was never my speciality, but if a crocodile is behind me, I might run a good time. That's the moment I'm gonna run a world lead. According to Siri, I can outrun a crocodile. So, because I asked the same question with a bear, can I outrun a bear? And they say nope, nope, you cannot outrun a bear at all. And you also cannot climb on the tree. You cannot outrun it. You can't outclimb it. You will just have to hold still and try. I don't know. Maybe have a pepper spray. Just spray that he's not that hungry. But running definitely then is not a good idea. You can just freeze on spot and hope he's not interested in you. But we're not gonna freeze with a crocodile. With a crocodile now, we are running! Remember, if you cannot go to Black River, just sign up to Nigel. Sun City Safari. Sun City Safari. Dang man, it's hot. That's now with this whole fishing. So that's why spear fishing. At least I don't have to deal with this heat because I'm in the water. Whew. Car is still here, thank God.
Make it back up alive.
We made it back. Now have to run for our lives, so that's good. Guys, the only thing I really don't understand, if you're coming off the toll road and like driving into Portland. What's wrong with my brain? Driving into Portmore. People, there are some crazy potholes. I'm not used to the road, so I don't know where they are. And I don't know, I just had about 3 heart attacks. Because, you know, like when you just nearly drove over one pothole and you'd be like, oh my God, if I did never react on time, probably 2 tires would have gone. There's some real nasty, deep potholes. People, Portmore is such a busy road. How comes they are not fixed? Just, I think, yesterday or a couple of days ago, they just all over Kingston 6 side, they patched out the place. And I don't know, they always patch up stuff. So, which is good. They're really patching up the holes. What's going on? Come over to Portmore and fix those holes. They are crazy. They are crazy. No, man. People, these holes needs to be fixed. These potholes are serious. Come on, guys. Again, I'm really out here. So, but I know, and I've seen it, that road is extremely busy. It's not just some road. It's an extremely busy main road. And there are some serious potholes. Like, why are they not fixed? Who is in charge of that area? Which MP is in charge over that side? Like, come on, such a busy road. And they're still there. Nobody cares. No, these potholes need to be fixed, man. Ha, raindrop. Right, wait, yo, we wrapped up right on time. So I'm really looking forward. So we have a couple of other spots we want to actually go. We never planned for this spot today, but you know, we go with the flow. So I line up another fishing adventure. Actually, we have, well, listen, guys. I saw some wilks out there. I'm like, yo, we need to come for some wilks. So I want to do a wilks catch around that side. I also want to do, so we have another river where he said he saw a lot of perch and tilapia. So we have 2 spots where we want to check out and see if we can catch some of that. So look out for those adventures. They're soon coming up. Hopefully this weekend I'll be able to go spear fishing. Not sure yet what the weather is like. And yeah, that's kind of it. But actually now I have to go back to work. I work this afternoon, so we're having now, what's now? I don't know. Good thing at least we had those 2 little jackfish. At least we're not starving. Yeah. Oh, we survived. We found our survival portion. Imagine if we did catch some big jack or a big snapper. We planned for snapper still, but no. Guys, I hope we can somehow get some of these like cool kayaks or like inflatable kayaks or inflatable paddleboard something. Because right there, I would love to paddle out. Yes, guys, all right, that's a wrap for today. You know, stay tuned. Remember to like, leave a comment, please. That will always help actually the video. And check out Nigel YouTube channel. And yeah, you know, the Schweppes. Catch you on next adventure. Bye.